February something.
27th. He's got his sex harness on. Harness.
Ready for the swing. What? No, you didn't. You sneaky guy.
What did you do?
With the button.
I bought these.
Those?
Yeah.
What the fuck, Tiny?
Print.
That's awesome.
Is it awesome?
Ow!
Skiing with friends. Not alone anymore.
Let's jump.
Let's jump. They just abandoned him to me. That was a nice first run.
I was helping a little kid.
Woo!
That's a short run to find your legs.
That is a quick run to find your legs. You love trains.
When a train
Rolls by your apartment. Nora loves when the train runs through her apartment.
That is nice. And that. I'd wake up thinking I was gonna die.
The nice thing about this is that I can just grab it and film you.
That's true. Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Bye.
What?
Bye. Ooh.
Oh! I keep wanting to like turn it, but then I forget that I could just.
You don't even need to. You just sit there. Crazy.
Whoa, that was neat.
No, you look pretty chill.
Oh my god.
He needs to get some pop.
Almost ran a motherfucker down. Oh. God, I suck at that. Nice. It's nice.
Woo-woo. Oh. Worth it. Shit. He's waiting for them to clear.
That's fair. Going backwards there? You want me to go? You going?
You can go. Oh, she fell.
I don't even know where I'm going. Oh my god. Clear the way. Oh, there's snow plowing. There's no plowing up there. Holy fuck. That was crazy. Easy.
I'll go first. Yeah.
Might as well just eat it at some point.
Yeah.
I think I got it though.
Swap it. I just came off so bad. I came off so bad.
That's wild. You landed it, right?
It's not a hand drag.
Oh, okay.
They cheered for you.
Did they?
Yeah.
It was ugly. Okay.
I'm not saying it's true.
Short, bro.
For your mouth?
Yes.
Oh, actually?
It's a mouth gripper. Sweet. Say hello to the horde. The horde, the horde. Going for a little sandwich here.
Is that good?
I wish I got Norah's roast beef.
Oh. Yummy. Ah, shit. Yuck.
Bite it.
Bite it, bro. Okay. Have fun, be safe. Oh.
Damn! That was fucking sick. That pipe was so nice.
Good luck, have fun.
Hey, he's ripping another three! I can't see the landings anymore. That one?
Yours.
Oh yeah. That's because I came down really far.
Are you alright?
Yeah, thanks. No, I figured I might as well just huck it. Oh yeah, that looks a little easier. Yeah, that one I was like, I'll just do it. Nice and wide. Fuck. Oh my god. Just fucking punched the ground going really fast by accident.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I sniped that rail.
There's a kid.
Ah.
Wipeout.
Oh. Hi.
Oh.
Nice one, nerd.
Shut up.
You wanna grab that ski for me?
Jimmy, no birds.
Dude, my brake broke. Dude, my brake just broke that run.
Yeah. First time that's ever happened.
I should really put this on my bad foot. Because then I can power through on my right. Get in the air and then start running. Oh, so nice, so clean.
The train's going in.
Woo, woo.
Are you gonna cannonball? Are you gonna watch Seth? Oh yeah. Oh, I'm falling over.
Oh, wiener.
Oh, I'll see you over there at some point.
Bye.
See you next winter.
So you and I go, whoa. Yeah. It's scary being cameraman. Oh, we got the sparks. We got the sparks. Big, big, big.
That That rail grabbed me so hard.
Big air, big air. Hey, it might not have been full run, but there were some clean ones.